Have you ever wondered how much some people make from home a year with print on demand? It's a fascinating realm where your creative designs meet the marketplace on a variety of products, all from the comfort of your home. It's a simple concept, but the income potential can be quite surprising. Well, let's dive into some real-life success stories to illustrate the income potential of print on demand. Imagine for a moment a creative individual named Alex. Alex started exploring print on demand as a side hustle, a way to put her artistic skills to work. With a keen sense of design and an understanding of her target audience, she was able to create unique, appealing products. Today, Alex is a print-on-demand sensation, earning a six-figure income right from the comfort of her home. Her journey hasn't been without its challenges, but through careful strategy and a dedication to understanding her market, she's been able to build a thriving business. Alex enjoys the freedom and flexibility of managing her business from home, which is a testament to the lifestyle that print-on-demand can afford. So, as you can see, with the right approach and dedication, print-on-demand can be quite lucrative. Let's summarize the key points we've discussed about print-on-demand. This innovative business model is empowering countless individuals to generate a substantial income from the comfort of their homes. We explored success stories of entrepreneurs who've made a mark, showing us the potential that print-on-demand holds. One of the standout benefits of this business is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere at any time, and the world is your marketplace. The income potential is also compelling, with some individuals netting six-figure sums annually. Remember, your success in print-on-demand, like any business, depends on your dedication, creativity, and strategic planning. But with these, you could join the ranks of those making a substantial income from home.